Hey guys, welcome to another Vapor Honing Technologies video. Today I would like to talk to you about vapor blasting and how gentle it is on the surface of any part that you need to blast. It can be very challenging cleaning metals and delicate surfaces. If you're scrubbing or scratching or using harsh chemicals, a lot of times the end result is going to be damage to your part. Fortunately, there is a better way. Vapor blasting uses water in order to cushion the abrasive against the surface, allowing it to flow across the peaks and valleys or the topography of the part and leaving behind that light canoe finish. Vapor blasting is safe on sealing surfaces. It's also safe on threaded passageways, therefore it's not going to cause any damage to your part. We're able to blast steel, plastic, brass, any of your soft metals without causing any kind of damage. If you have any questions about the gentle nature of vapor blasting, please give us a call at 828-202-5563 extension 103. And as always, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.